Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my trip and stroll through Lahore. I want to show you the highlights of Lahore, but spoiler alert, due to the smog, most of the sites are closed, so I'll try to give you some information and highlights about Lahore. Follow me on this trip and I'm hoping you like it. So today I wanted to visit the Mina Pakistan and the Fort Lahore, but due to the massive smog, as you can see, everything is on lockdown. So we're going to explore just a little bit of the city. Walking around the Badashi Mosque now. Yeah, let's explore. So guys, to just get an idea how much smog there is here, if you want to see the daylight sun, this is what you can see of the sun basically. So it's not even coming through the layers of the smog here. As you can see, there's a massive amount of smog. Pakistan is not the cleanest country. For some reason, everywhere is trash. But that's what you have to know when you travel to Pakistan. What's really funny in Pakistan, that everyone is greeting you with a handshake. Everyone is super friendly. This is way different to Europe, where people mostly ignore you. But everyone's friendly, smiley, and I really like people of Pakistan. They're really my favorite. Hello, my friend. You good? Trying to find the way inside, but apparently, I don't know. You good, man? Nice meeting you. So this seems like the entertainment and party area of Lahore, with lots of food and entertainment options, a lot of restaurants with rooftop places. Looks actually very nice and clean. So this is the mosque in the fog from above. And the fort, completely covered in smog. And all those rooftop restaurants and cafes, that's very neat. But the air quality is super bad. It really hurts when you breathe, and you get easily a headache. But it's a very nice view. You can only imagine how this looks if you have clear skies. So apparently the entire area was for 300 years a red light district. So you can still see that this was like the party locations, and apparently they removed all information about this, but you can still see some old things like this dancing woman, which was dancing for men. So this was the area for cheap sex in Lahore. Later, thank you. Yes, I'm just discovering the old city now.
Lahore Fort and Mosque closed.
I know, I saw it.
Would you like to go to visit the old city, Wazir Khan Mosque, Golden Mosque, Hindu Temple and Haveli, and hidden treasure, very narrow street.
Okay.
And bazaar. There is a different bazaar. If you like, I'm able to take you old city.
Okay, I'm going to explore here the area and I'll be back, okay?
Sir, can I
Thank
give
you.
you my card?
Give me your card, that's fine.
If you need, then I'm your first priority.
Okay, I will do this.
Right.
Let
And
me explore this area
Sir,
first.
tonight is a very special night, Sufi night. Did you hear about Sufi night?
No?
Oh, Sufi night is monastic dance tonight, and the artist playing drum.
Okay.
And there's all those tourists come. They wish to go to see Sufi night.
Okay.
If are you interested, then you can take my visiting card. There is a written WhatsApp number. Let me know.
So this is the WhatsApp number, yeah?
Yes, sir. This one WhatsApp number.
The first one?
Yeah, first one and
Okay.
second one.
I'll text you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
What's your good name?
Patrick.
Patrick. I'm
Yeah?
Michael.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice to
And
meet
then
you,
we
sir.
see each other later.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very nice people. No less want to explore the area here now, but apparently, as the guy already said, everything is closed because of the smog here in Lahore, which is apparently what they said, the worst air quality on the entire planet. So I met a lovely people here. Just say hello to my friends.
Pakistan.
Bye-bye.
Zindabad. Most welcome to Pakistan. It's right here, nothing wrong here. People are traveling every day, without any problem. People are very friendly, very hospitable. My name is Samuel Michael. We are here for presentation.
Pakistan,
Nothing
Zindabad.
wrong in Pakistan, right? We welcome you. There is a lot of thing to see. All cities never ending. If you start in the morning until evening, the life starting in the evening. Right now we are sitting in the heart of Lahore, the old city, and in front of us is the Master Ji. Used to be the master at government school. And right here sitting, Mr. Michael introduces. Hello,
How many people are living in Lahore?
in Lahore, you mean in the old city?
In entire Lahore.
Entire Lahore,
Population of Lahore.
it is
Thank
about
you.
10,100,000. 10,100,000. In the old city, around about 300,000 people living.
300,000,
Yeah.
and in the entire city, how many million?
I'm a thick
In
populated
I
city.
think,
Very thick populated.
yeah, about 13 million.
13 million.
Yeah, people living in Lahore. But in the old city, about 300,000 people. And
I met really lovely people here. I was not allowed to pay. They did not want me to pay. And the former red light district in the heart of Lahore. And not really good streets. Walking in the heart of Lahore. There's like basically like an old town shopping district with really narrow roads. You can buy different kind of foods, street foods, vegetable, anything you like, anywhere you want. Basically, to get rid of the flies, we have this machine. Narrow streets of Lahore, so people can actually jump from one apartment to the other apartment. And the fog you see is all the smoke there is in the city. So it's really hard to breathe. You can either travel by tuk-tuk, so like a rickshaw, taxi or motorcycle here. And most of the motorcycles have a red color. Maybe you know why? I don't know. Shukriya, thank you for joining me today. If you like what you've seen, press the button down below, follow me, like my content, and I will be showing you the next trip, which is actually Islamabad, coming up next.